other kind of classification of forces, which is also a part of your syllabus. That is something called balanced forces. Yeah, we'll be spending some time on this balanced forces. Now, under what condition forces are known as balanced forces? Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say I have a block which is placed here, some block. It's on the surface. I apply a force of 5 Newton from this side, right? Now I apply a force of 5 Newton from this side. What is the net force acting on the body? So what is the net force acting on body? I'll call this force as F1. I'll call this force as F2. So what is net force? I can say net force is F1 plus F2. From the figure, if I take F1 as 5 Newton, what is F2? Can I write minus 5 Newton?
Yes, sir.
Why is it minus 5? Because it is in opposite direction. So what is net force from this? Net force is 0. Right? So I can say F1 and F2 form, or F1 and F2 are balanced forces. F1 and F2 are what? Balanced forces. I hope it is clear to all of you. Any doubt in this? A very simple thing. So what are balanced forces? When the net force or the resultant force due to a number of forces is 0, then the forces are called balanced forces, right? So if I want to define balanced forces, what can I say? If, two or more than two forces are acting on a body, two or more than two forces are acting on a body, right? So two or more than two forces are acting on a body such that the net force is 0. Then the forces are known as balanced. Then the forces are balanced. I hope that is clear. So if you want, you can just scribble down the definition. If two or more than two forces act on a body such that the net force acting on the body is 0, then the forces are known as balanced forces. Okay, fine. So that's clear, all of you. In fact, I think you already had that idea. Now let's go for application of this. Can you give me an example of balanced forces? An object in rest due to friction. Yes, Krishnam.
So
Anything?
a pendulum at rest position.
Pendulum in rest position. Now, can you tell me the forces which are forming? Right. I'll just take I think Akshay told me or Krishnam told me. A ball is kept on a table. I have a ball which is kept on a table. Now, which forces are forming the balanced forces here?
Sir, gravitational force and resultant force.
So, gravitational force and resultant force. So, I can say this is gravitational force is acting like this. We don't have resultant force. Now, when there is gravitational force acting on the surface, the table is also pushing it upwards, right? This is gravitational force, and there is a force which is pushing the ball upwards. Now, we call it as normal reaction or reaction. Now, these two forces are equal to each other. So I can say normal reaction and gravitational force together form balanced force. Can a single force act as a balanced force? Can a
Sir,
single force act as a balanced force?
if it is 0 Newton.
So if it is 0 Newton balanced force, no, I can never have a single force acting as balanced force, because the definition of balanced forces say that if two or more than two forces are acting on a body, then what will happen? The forces are balanced if the net force is 0. I hope it is clear. A single force can never be balanced force. Right? Now, what was the next example that you gave? A pendulum. A pendulum. What are the forces which are forming balanced forces here? Weight of the body. I hope you know mg is weight of the body. Okay, otherwise I'll just write weight of the body and the tension in the string. So the tension or the force in the string is pulling up and the weight of the body is pulling it down. So if these two are equal and opposite, then what do we say? Then the two forces are balanced forces. I hope that is clear. Frictional force. Let's say there is a block, a force of F is acting like this. If friction force is acting in the same opposite direction and equal to that, and the body is not moving, then these are balanced forces. Is it clear to all of you? Right? Now, I take my favorite example. I put my hand on the board and I push the board. So the forces involving, are they balanced or not balanced? You're getting it? I'm just putting my hand on the board and I'm pushing the board. The forces involved here, are they balanced or not balanced?
Balanced.
They're balanced. So what are the forces acting there? What are the
Force
forces?
and reaction force.
Yes, I'm pushing the board. That's the force acting on the board. And the board is pushing me. That's the reaction. So both of them are equal and opposite. So they are balanced forces. So if this is definition of balanced force, what will be definition of unbalanced forces? If resultant of two or more forces is not zero, then the forces are known as unbalanced forces.